1.2 Activity time. A. Let's play. 1. Form pairs. 2. Close your eyes. Now one of you put your finger on any letter on the blue card. Three. Now your partner will put the finger on any letter on the pink card. 4. Open your eyes. 5. Now each one of you has one letter of the alphabet. 6. Each pair has 2 letters. 7. Write as many words as you can which have both the letters you picked. Set, fish, is. Goat, dog, frog. Bat, tall, table. B. Think and answer. Teacher. Good morning, children. Children. Good morning, teacher. Teacher. What is your name? Tejal. My name is Tejal. Teacher. What is the first letter of your name? Tejal. T. Teacher. What is the last letter of your name? Tejal. L. Teacher. How many letters are there in your name? Tejal. 5. Teacher. Tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Tejal. Tiger.